Health Info Talk provides health and medical information that is quality assured, reliable, up-to-date and easy to understand.
Press the subscribe button for updates about all the latest videos of our channel. Press the bell icon and never miss a single notification from us. Check out the links below in the video description for all the popular videos of our channel.
Spinach is considered to be one of the world's healthiest foods, with researchers identifying more than a dozen different types of flavonoid antioxidants alone that are present in spinach, not to mention all of its other vitamins, minerals and essential nutrients. Spinach nutrition has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant abilities, and if you combine that with its very low amount of calories, it is easily one of the most nutrient-rich foods in existence. Spinach is rich in many important nutrients, including vitamin K, vitamin A, folate and vitamin C, yet contains a very small amount of spinach calories in each serving. Additionally, although there are some carbs in spinach, it's also very high in fiber, meaning it can help support regularity and keep blood sugar steady. Most of the carbs in spinach consist of fiber. Spinach also contains 0.4% sugar, mostly glucose and fructose. Spinach is high in insoluble fiber, which may benefit health in several ways. Insoluble fiber adds bulk as food passes through the digestive system. This may help prevent constipation. Spinach is an excellent source of many vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A. Spinach is high in carotenoids, which the body can turn into vitamin A. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that promotes skin health and immune function. Vitamin K1. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting, and one spinach leaf contains over half of your daily need. Folic acid, also known as folate, or vitamin B9. It is essential for normal cellular function and tissue growth, and is very important for pregnant women. Iron. Spinach is an excellent source of this essential mineral. Iron helps create hemoglobin, which brings oxygen to the body's tissues. Calcium. Calcium is essential for bone health. This mineral is also a crucial signaling molecule for the nervous system, heart and muscles. Spinach also contains several other vitamins and minerals, such as potassium, magnesium, and vitamins B6, B9 and E. Spinach contains several important plant compounds, including lutein. Lutein is linked to improved eye health. Camphorol. This antioxidant is linked to a decreased risk of cancer and chronic disease. Nitrates. Spinach contains high amounts of nitrates, which may promote heart health. Quercetin. This antioxidant may ward off infection and inflammation. Spinach is one of the richest dietary sources of quercetin. Zeaxanthin. Like lutein, zeaxanthin can also improve eye health. Benefits of spinach nutrition. Studies show that consuming leafy green vegetables and cruciferous vegetables, including spinach, watercress, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, mustard greens, turnip greens, collards and kale, can dramatically protect against the occurrence of various types of cancers, including colon, breast and prostate cancers. Thanks to its antioxidant content, spinach limits inflammation in the body, which is one of the main risk factors associated with the development of coronary heart disease. Studies show that spinach can protect heart health by enhancing the functions of nitric acid, which improves circulation, lowers blood pressure and promotes blood vessel health. Spinach nutrition supplies high levels of vitamin A and vitamin C, both of which are actually considered antioxidants that can be especially useful in maintaining a strong immune system. Spinach nutrition contains vitamin A in the form of carotenoids, which benefit eyesight by preserving the health of the retina, macula and cornea. Spinach supplies a high amount of essential bone-building vitamin K. Vitamin K is needed to keep the skeletal structure healthy and can help ward off conditions like osteoporosis and bone fractures.
Thank you for watching Health Info Talk. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates and news. Do like our FB page at Health InfoZone. Follow us on Twitter at Health Info Talk 1. And follow us on Instagram at Health Info Talk.